Hey everyone, welcome and thank you very much for joining me in this video. So it's January 22nd. At the time of recording this video right now, it is pre-market and it is a wild and insane pre-market. In this video, I'm going to cover some things. Briefly what's going on in the pre-market, because I want to mention these things to you, what's going on. Although by the time you watch this video, when I do publish the video, it won't be pre-market. So you'll have already probably know about what's going on. But I'm also going to talk about an IPO that is going public that you should know about, because they're already in phase 3. They already got fast track designation. They might even be bought out. So we'll see. And it's coming up. It's going public and it's available for pre-order right now. And I'm also going to give you two stocks, guys, two tickers that are making investors money guaranteed so far, and I believe they're going to continue to do that. The only thing people have to do is have patience, that's all. And if you have patience, you'll make money with these things. So that's that with my opinion, not financial advice. Do not buy anything unless you do your own research.
I am totally alone right now with only my thoughts. I love it. I'm loving it.
Pre-market, guys. It's a wild pre-market today because for some reason, some crazy odd reason, the SEC just woke up today and decided that, you know what, we're just going to launch more investigations than we've ever done the past decade. And they're launching those investigations, in my opinion, at the worst things. What are you doing? Why are you investigating RILY? B. Riley Financial. So they're doing an investigation in B. Riley Financial over Franchise Group CEO. So this is a complicated case because their investigation is focused on Franchise Group CEO, Mr. Khan. Now, Franchise Group was bought out last year by B. Riley. And the whole scandal has to do with not B. Riley Financial, right? Not ticker symbol RILY, but it has to do with Franchise Group's ex-CEO and the scandals he had with a hedge fund called Prophecy. So, yeah, but because B. Riley bought out Franchise Group, they're involved in this, or we don't know. This is pretty crazy. In fact, B. Riley is a stock that's heavily shorted, if not one of the shortest stocks on the market right now. So if B. Riley is found to have nothing to do with Franchise Group's ex-CEO's bullshit, I'm sorry to say that, then B. Riley stock will explode. So that's that. That's one. The SEC decided to do an investigation on Occidental Petroleum. What are you doing? Over their acquisition of Crown Rock? What are you doing, SEC? And an investigation in Archer-Daniels-Midland. So today, 3 investigations launched already, and I think the SEC has done more investigation than they've ever done the past decade. Although, if the SEC wants to, they can just investigate JPMorgan, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Citadel, and I'm pretty sure on a daily basis they might find something. All right, so with that being said, guys, that's the pre-market. It's pretty wild already. Let's go to two stocks. Let me give you the two stocks right away that I think are amazing. They've already proven themselves to do amazing. They're making people money, and all you have to do is to have the word patience, and you'll be making money with these things. So that's just my opinion. Let's get to it. So here you are, you're investing in the stock market, and maybe you've been investing this year, last year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 5 years, and so on. If you've been investing for the past couple of years, ask yourself right now, since I started investing, have I been making money? Did I change my life? Am I at a better spot? Or I really haven't gotten anywhere? Because if you haven't gotten anywhere, then maybe you might want to focus a little bit, guys, on this powerful word that is patience, and taking out of your mind 100% the social media craze, the hurry to get quick and all this stuff, and just calm down.
Okay, hold still right there. Now, just imagine you're weightless. You're in the middle of the ocean, surrounded by tiny little seahorses.
You can say that again.
And once you're calmed down, then you can focus on ticker symbol JQUA, which you can see right here. Here's a report that I did for my Discord when it was at 44 bucks. I explained to them in this report why I think it was a buy. So here it is. It was 44 bucks. Here is where you can pause the video if you want to read, and I explained the reasons why I think JQUA is amazing. And JQUA right now is at 49 bucks. So you'd be up $5 a share, right? And it's an amazing ETF, and I think it's going to do awesome. Another exchange traded fund, guys, that is amazing to hold for years to come. And what makes this amazing is that it gives great dividends, and at the same time, the money you put into this ETF will also grow, which is just the greatest thing in the world. And dividends and my money that I invest into it are, you know, going to grow. That's the greatest. That's one of the most powerful investments anyone can ever make. So here's one. FDVV is the ticker symbol, guys. And just for an example, in May 9th of 2023 in my Discord, I talked about it. Members in my Discord were asking me, Mike, what's something that you hold in your long-term portfolio that you would not sell? So I said, look, since 2017, I have been adding almost on a monthly basis, wherever I can, guys. 1 share, 5 shares, 10 shares, whatever I can. Think about it. 2-3 years are gonna go by. Time does not ask you for permission. Time moves on whether you like it or not. So if you've been investing the past 3 years, 5 years, and you really got nowhere, imagine where you would be right now had you been investing on a monthly basis in SPY or FDVV. This is just my opinion, of course. I'm not saying you should do that. So I told them that since 2017, I have been adding almost on a monthly basis for FDVV. Sometimes buying few shares, other times more. Look, even if you started in May 9th of 2023, when I said it in my Discord, May 9th, 2023, let's go to it. It was, where was it? May, well, around there. Anyways, somewhere around there. It was like 36, whatever, 37 bucks. Right now it's at 42, right? And if you look at it on a max lifetime chart, it's beautiful. So think about FDV. And with that being said, let's go to the IPO review, which is an IPO I think that people should pay attention to for the reasons that I told you in the beginning of the video. So we are going to focus, guys, on CG Oncology Incorporation, ticker symbol CGON. Price range will be 16 to 18. It's officially announced today that it will be 17 US dollars. So in the middle, 17 bucks is what you would pay if you actually pre-order right now, which it is available for pre-order on Webull. So 17 bucks. But why would anyone consider this? CG Oncology Incorporation has filed for a $100 million IPO. This company is a biopharmaceutical company. Their lead candidate has shown promising results in phase 3 trials with high rate of complete response. CG Oncology has already received investments of over $313 million from investors including ORI Capital, Daychain Capital Global Life Science, Foresight Capital, Longitude Venture Partners, and TCG. The company is headed by Chief Executive Officer Arthur Kwan, who has been with the company since 2017. Their lead candidate is currently in various trials, the most advanced, which is the BOND-003 or BOND-003 Phase 3, which is a monotherapy for high-risk patients. Their BOND-003 Phase 3 trial data has shown high rate of complete response for bladder cancer patients. So this is actually very serious. Here's their pipeline and their top line data by the end of 2024 for phase 3. Also, what's interesting about this company is that CG Oncology's bladder cancer drug gets fast track to approval. So that's another thing that's very important to keep in track, right? They're going into an IPO with phase 3. It's promising. It's great. They already got fast track approval for this. Also, what's interesting was back on November 15th of 2022, CG Oncology raised $120 million in an oversubscribed Series E financing. Valuation score, I'm going to give it a 4.5, guys. 17 US bucks might be a little too much, to be honest, for this stock and where it is right now. All right, so it might be a little overvalued probably. What I will do is not pre-order this, but I will put it on my top list, my watch list for sure, of stocks I want to buy for sure. So what I'm gonna do is wait, hope that maybe within 6 months after it has gone public that it will fall to a lower price. Maybe 14 bucks would be great for me to get in. I would love that. So if it fell to 14, I would buy. And I think that I will do really well with this stock if I buy it at 14. That's just my opinion, of course. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. And guys, I hope that you do well and take care.